Year to date, it's down 1.5%. It really has done nothing. And as still the biggest stock in the market by market cap, it matters. And it's heavily owned, as we know. Do you think it has something here to go in the second half? It's about to have a pickup and some newfound momentum?
I don't, because I don't think it's a super cycle for the iPhone. I think we all know about services and margins. We all know about their free cash flow and the buybacks and all the things that they're doing. So I don't know what's going to be the surprise factor, right? And you said it. It's very over-owned. So I'm market weight. It's a very big benchmark name. It's 6% of the S&P 500. So I want to be there because I do like it long term. We talk about the ecosystem all the time, but I prefer other technology and other FANG names.
Okay. Jim Lebenthal, I mean, Steph says 150 ain't happening this year. That's what I heard.
You know, what I hear her saying in her benevolent way is that valuation is not a catalyst. Well, I mean, that's my take on it. And you know what? That's right. Valuation is not a catalyst. However, it does provide support. And what Bryn was saying is absolutely right. You look at the chart on this. If this thing gets above 135, it's going to release its hold on the earth. It came close to that back in April. It's been consolidating for this entire year. It gets above 135, which is like 2% more. This horse is going to run. It's a technical matter. The valuation is a support. Okay. We know how good the company is.
See the stock moving up a bit as we talk about it. How about Northrop, Jimmy?
Yeah, you know, Scott, this is a stock picker's stock. Because I can sit there and say, as I have, that the defense sector is catching a bid. It is, as we realize that defense spending is not going to be cut as draconianly as we thought under President Biden. But Northrop Grumman is one where you look under the hood, you see it's got two major programs that it's building on right now. The B-21 bomber called the Raider, which is the Air Force's new bomber, and the ground-based strategic deterrent, which is the new intercontinental ballistic missile that they're developing. These are very high-priority programs for the U.S. Defense Agency. There's very little chance that these get cut, and they're going to drive growth in earnings and revenues for the next foreseeable 5 years. The programs are on target. The company is executing well on it. A very forgiving valuation, about 14 times this year's earnings. Again, a stock picker's stock. If you look at the 10K, you can see a lot to love in this name.
All right. Cleveland Cliffs, up 42% year to date. I mean, of all the stocks you could have picked, you pick one that's already up 42% year to date. Why do you think it has enough momentum to have a sizable gain between now and the end of the year after what it's already done?
Scott, the punchline is the free cash flow generation here is frankly unlike anything I've ever seen. They are now taking advantage of high iron ore prices, high steel prices, and high demand for both of those commodities. Think about how we're trying to build cars. Think about infrastructure coming. Thinking about washing machines going into new homes or refurbished homes. The demand and the pricing environment is so good that this company last week just raised its guidance for the third time this year. I think as the earnings reports come out for the second and third quarter, that the amount of free cash flow and what the effect is on the balance sheet, where I think at the end of next year, at the end of 2022, they may not have any appreciable debt. That is a transformation in this company that it's just unlike anything I've ever seen before. Okay. So stay tuned. I know where it's been. Stay tuned.
I'll ask you to be brief on the sector pick of industrials, and it's interesting that you make that pick because it seems to be in question over the last week for certain, as you've had a little bit of a reemergence of the growth trade. There are serious questions as to whether industrial stocks are the place to be.
And you know me, Scott. You know I like to skate to where the puck is going. I know people make money on momentum trades. God bless them. I like to go to where the undervalued assets are. So the beautiful thing about industrials is it encompasses so much. It encompasses the transportations, like Boeing. You know how I feel about it. Or like the airlines. You know how I feel about those. It encompasses the defense stocks that I just spoke about. And it encompasses all those beautiful machinery stocks like Caterpillar, like Illinois Tool Works, that are going to do so well in a continually expanding economic environment, one in which we're onshoring the supply chain, building new factories, building infrastructure. You said keep it short, but I could go on for a while.